Hi friends, this is Susan. I'm going to be unboxing my new color cube color set. So take a look and it's really awesome. Enjoy the video. Okay, it comes in this gorgeous box. Get some of my cards off the table here. And let's see, how do we open this thing? Okay. And we open it up and we have some foam and I got the 2 box because all the comments I read, they say, oh, I bought just 1 box and then I had to go buy the second one. So I got the 2 cube set. All right, let's open these babies. This one I didn't open yet, but this one I did open. I had a sneak peek. And look at all these cards. These are just amazing. And so if you're looking at inspiration, so you want to do a blue painting, there's your colors. Those look like cobalt blue, ultramarine blue. This looks like indigo. So you can get all kinds of inspiration here. Look at this. They are so cool. As I say, I've been watching Denise Love for so long. She just pulls out one of these cards and go, oh, well, we're going to paint in these colors today. And then she'll show the picture on the back. So it kind of gives you the ideas. Because let's face it, so often we go off and we start off with 3 colors and next thing you know we've got 10 colors sitting out there. And this gives you an opportunity to stay focused. Like here's a really pretty set. Look at that. Oh, an ice cream cone. My favorite. Look at this. This is so pretty. Oh, look at this one. Gosh, gorgeous, gorgeous. Well, this is just a quickie. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I will put a link to Renae's color cube in the description. Well, actually below the description of my video. Thanks for watching, guys.